Welcome again. This is work under work kinetic energy theorem. And the problem here states that there are two tugboats pulling a disabled supertanker. Each of them actually exerts a constant force of 1.8 times 10 to the 6 newtons. That is to the sixth. Okay. One 14 degrees west to north and the other 14 degrees east of north as they pull the tanker 0.75 kilometer toward the north. What's the total work they do on the supertanker? So let's write the given data first. There you go. I would just like to pinpoint that for the FT, that's just like a tug or a tugboat, yeah, force tugboat. It says that each tug exerts a constant of 1.8. So that will be for tugboat one, that's 1.8, and then for tugboat 2, that's also 1.8 times 10 to the 6 newtons. All right, so let's hit it this way. Okay, since we know by definition that our work is just equal to a vector F dot vector S, or displacement, that can be simplified to have Fs cosine phi or theta, we can see in this case it can be phi because it's along your y-axis. So given that the magnitude of your force acting is just Ft1 is equal to Ft2 is equal to your 1.8 times 10 to the 6 newtons. And we've got to our angle. So to be consistent, let's put it as phi. And my phi here is just 14 degrees, according to this. 14 degrees, 14 degrees. Now, they're the same, so I can put tugboat 1 is equal to tugboat 2. Now, W total is equal to our Fs, so that would be Ft1 times S, can't be T1, it's just the same thing, so 0.75 km, that is our S, cosine phi T1 plus Ft2 S, same thing, cosine phi T2. Since we have the same Ft1, Ft2, the same cosine and cosine, we just have 2 Fs, same thing, cosine phi, which actually gives us the freedom to just multiply everything by 2. So that's just 2 times 1.8 times 10 to the 6 newtons. Just multiplication. I can just continuously write it down. Times our S, which is 0.75. Times, oh, this is in km as being M. Times 10 cube meters. That is our S. Cosine 14. 14 degrees. And that would just give us 2.62 times 10 to the 9th Newton meters, or again, the same thing, 2.62 times 10th to the 9th joules. That's it. This is our total work, or the total work they do on the supertanker.